Hi friends. So 34.7% of you aren't subscribed yet. Since you've stuck around this long, we are basically best friends, so you should subscribe. Back to your regular scheduled program. I see you 34.7%.
So we're about to go on Haunted Mansion. If you can't tell, I'm a big Haunted Mansion fan. We just ate at Sleepy Hollow. We had the spicy chicken waffle and the corn dog. It was good. We shared it all. Delicious. What'd you think?
Very good. I would have liked the crunchy end of it.
Throwing shade. We see you.
I accidentally hit the crunchy end of the waffle, not realizing that's what my mom wanted. It was good with the crunchy side.
It was.
It was good without the crunchy side. It was just good. What'd you think?
About what?
The food.
Oh, chips good, as usual.
Those chips were good.
6 out of 10. Would recommend.
6? That's like that's above average.
6 is above average.
Yeah, but that's like not.
Slightly above average.
Yeah, that's like nothing.
Right. Allie doesn't eat hot dogs. The hot dog was pretty okay though.
Oh yeah, and you don't eat hot
Someone
dogs.
who doesn't like hot dogs, the hot dog wasn't that bad.
Yeah. I can't believe you rated it 6 out of 10. Like trash.
The wildest ride in the world.
They started the riverboat up, so they've opened that up. If you guys are
It's
wondering.
always good to see.
I have never been on it.
What, riverboat?
No, I've never been on it.
Neither have I.
Okay.
You gotta do that at some point.
Common lack of Disney adventures.
Every time we try and get on it, it's always closed.
Yeah, it's true. It's always down for refurb.
You would think they would have pumped in clean water. What did he say?
It's magic. So in here, they don't have the stretch room currently, but you're able to go through it while the portraits are up, and you can still hear the music playing. And in here, like I said, all the portraits are up, but I don't mind it. You know, if they're doing what they can with the experience that they have to give, and they're not taking too much away from it, honestly. You still hear the ghost host, so you still get to see the portrait.
Trip, you may want to post, and you don't go regularly, you may want to postpone.
Definitely.
Coming.
It's if it's your first trip, it's not worth it. Yeah, definitely.
You're getting COVID.
Oh yeah.
Let's do a quick mystery pin unboxing. I'm not very good at this, but we are trying.
So around is coming by. I have quite a few mystery packs. I've got this Coco one. I got the Monsters University one. I got Haunted Mansion. I got a Fantasia Anniversary one, which I'm actually really excited for this one. They're so cute. We also got this one because I want LeFou. I got the Cats and Dogs one. And I got this mystery pack. So, when we're eating dinner, I figured I'll open more of them, but I'm gonna open the Coco one right now. So I'm hoping for Pepita, and I'm also hoping for Dante as an Alebrije, but I'll be okay with all of them. Except for the guitar or the skulls, because that seems kind of boring to me. There's 2 pins in these. So let's see. This one I got.
Looks like an Alebrije.
Oh, I got Dante as an Alebrije, so I got one I wanted. Oh, Dante's cute. Oh, you got a Coco? Oh, I got like all the packs.
Jesse got so many packs.
That one. And I got Pepita. I got the 2 I wanted.
What, you got what?
Oh! I got the 2 I wanted.
Pepita. First try.
Oh, this is really cute. Look how cute that is.
Oh, I love those.
Those are not trainers. I'm feeling fancy, so let's open.
I wanted the dog.
Alright.
So, this one is the Dogs and Cats one. That's the back. I'm hoping for Bolt, Max, Yzma.
I don't usually buy them.
I'll take any of them. They're all really cute.
You're getting
Mochi's
super
cute too.
close.
What?
You're getting super close. I keep losing half
Oh,
the shot.
sorry. Well, I'm showing the box.
Yes. What's his name? I can't remember his name.
Yes, his name is Percy. Percy. This is Percy from Pocahontas. I love it. Oh, there's another cavalcade. Yay! I love them. Me too. And I got Yuzma. Oh, these are good packs. I got good luck. So this, I rate these pins 10 out of 10. I got all the ones I wanted. And I'm happy. So yeah, I'm gonna open the rest at dinner just because it'll be easier and it'll be a little more quiet. No. Here comes a cavalcade. So we're gonna watch it real quick and then we're gonna head to Big Thunder Mountain. Let's go. They had to cover him up with a bush. They were like, no, they're not gonna know. How would they know? How would they know?
Here's some context.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know? How would they know?
I'm sure they'll understand.
Why are you grabbing my enthusiasm?
The wildest ride in the wilderness. I was like, no, not for Jeannie. Ellie was like, oh my God, I'm holding her down. She's gonna fall out.
I was scared though. I really was. I really did.
Lift it out.
I was like, oh my God.
Well, I'm afraid because I'm a little heftier than her too. So like, what if she falls out in mine?
Did you go with Mom?
Yeah. Mom's skinny.
Yeah, go ahead.
You got that? You got a nice bank.
I have no butt.
My bank is empty.
My bank is broke.
I've got
no money in the bank.
Nick's got a bank, right, Nick?
Somebody does.
You got a big bank?
I guess.
He goes, I guess.
You got a bank? You got a bank in the bank?
He's got a bank.
You want to deposit that check?
With a perfect size. Help me, help me.
Has been shattered.
I know, Jesse shattered the dream.
I broke up the dream team. I have to sit with Nick so he can film, and so I can
dream team.
I can go on. I'm only a semi-dream team.
You're junior.
Junior dream team in training. Junior dream team in training. The line cues, they have little plexi barriers to help separate you and the guest on the other side of you, so you have a physical distance. I love this little view, and you can see the train coming through. Such a pretty picture. Can you take a picture of that? Looks like someone wants to fight. So this fan is really cute. It looks like this. It says squeeze me on it. But they should have done, they missed opportunity. Excuse me?
POV, you're my sister's lost brain cell.
So then they're all welcome to the girls' room.
So like when he's getting right, you get Oh, okay.
I think that's a perfect way to end this vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, and thank the Phoenicians. I'm looking at you 34.7%.